Tanner's here. Right. Headphone so I can speak louder. Sanders here. It's been 4 years since I made the last video, the JBL Extreme. Mail call. Look. Right. Whoa, what do you have here? Jump rope dudes. Dudes. Jump rope dudes. 2020. Get lean set, but cross rope. Huh. Right. Let's do some unboxing. So, my sister-in-law ordered it for me. Sent her the link. Use that link. Only 1 week. It arrived from her place, but it took 5 months to arrive here in the Philippines with through the by box. So here it is, the limited edition. Let's open it. Ta-da! Da-da-da-da-da-da. Do the thing. Oh, the handles, man. Love the handles. Only one hand, the other hand grabbing the camera. So yeah, that's the handles. The cross rope. Wow, look at that. Chop bro dudes. The other one. All in one hand. I really like the color, the black, the design of the handles. Wow. Anyways, it's just the design. Still same with the new cross rope 2020. The 1/4 pound rope. The receipt. Let me see. Oh yeah, the receipt. And what else? Oh. Jump rope. White bag. What else? And the white rope. It's the 1/2 pound. I guess yeah, it's a 1/2 pound. Wow. So excited to try it later this evening after work. I think that's all, guys. Yeah, I think that's all. So there it is. This one, the handles. I love it. Black one. Limited edition. Woohoo! Let's try to open this. Oop. Oop. Oh, wow. See. Wow. Wow. So this is it. Nice. Jump rope dudes, huh? So grippy. I like it. Well, thank you. The logo. I think that's all. Thank you guys, and that's all. Champ Rope Dudes. Limited edition by Crossroute.